How long-term rentals work in Thrifty. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As it's written in the article, the longer the rental, the greater the savings. Thrifty offers rental from 63 days to 11 months in the United States and Canada, which are convenient and easy to reserve and rent. And after that, for details, you can simply check Thrifty's monthly lease program or visit the monthly car rental by Thrifty products and services page. And these are the terms for long-term rental. And this is how long-term rentals work in Thrifty monthly rentals. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.